This is Math Hack Explained, where we turn math hacks into real understanding. Have you ever been taught the keep switch flip method in grade 5 math when your teacher was teaching you how to divide fractions by another fraction? You probably did. But have you ever asked your teacher why that method actually works? Today, we are going to find out why that works. So let's say you're given a question of 3/4 divided by 1/5. Okay, you would be asked to keep your 3/4, switch. That's how little I use this method. Okay, switch your division sign to the multiplication sign, and then flip your 1/5 to turn it into 5/1. All right, now I am going to change 3/4 and 1/5 into their equivalent form with a common denominator of 20. And to do that, all of us who have been through grade 3 should be able to change fraction to their equivalent forms. Okay. When you see this new equation, what goes through your mind? You should be thinking and asking yourself, it's the same as finding out how many 4/20ths go into 15/20. It's the same over here. You're essentially asking yourself how many 1/5 go into 3/4, right? But this is so much easier to see because you are actually taking 15 divide by 4 because you want to find out how many pieces of 4/20ths go into 15/20ths, okay? And that will actually be exactly the same as what you would do over here in your second step of keep switch flip. Both will get you the same answer, all right? And then going back to how does this become multiply by 20/4? If you multiply these two fractions together, all right, you will realize that they will eventually be able to be simplified when you divide by 20 in the numerator and the denominator to give you 15/4. Right? So that's how the keep switch flip actually happens and why that method actually works.
Follow me to learn how to make math stick.